Federal TSS Hevi-Shot versus Hevi-Shot Magnum Blend versus Kent Bismuth Turkey.
Hey everyone, welcome to First Nature Backland. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, comment, and tap the notification bell. Thanks.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming by today. So today I'm out in the National Forest and I'm patterning my turkey guns. I have two. I have a Savage 301 chambered in 20 gauge. This is a single shot shotgun. I've hunted turkeys with this before and been successful. This is a very good, very economical gun. I got this for $189 at Sportsman's Warehouse 3 years ago. This is an excellent turkey hunting shotgun. It comes with a turkey choke already installed. I haven't installed any other chokes. I just used what was from the factory, and this gun is fantastic. I also have my Tristar Raptor with a Primos tight wad turkey choke. I've hunted quail with this. That's all I've hunted with this. I've never taken this turkey hunting, and I bought this tight wad Primos choke specifically to see if I could use this as an alternative to turkey hunting. So we'll see how this one turns out. I'm patterning these guns with the $59.99 Federal TSS Heavyweight, the $54.99 Hevi-Shot Magnum Blend, and the $15.99 Bismuth, Kent Bismuth Turkey. 60 bucks versus 55 bucks versus 16 bucks. So I live in California. I can only hunt with non-lead ammo, and these are tremendously expensive. So does every other brand that makes TSS type loads. And Kent makes a Bismuth load for $15.99. So why not see if it works? So let's get to it. So I want to be clear before I get started. This mess is not me. I'm out here in the National Forest. I'm in the El Dorado National Forest in Northern California. There's people off in the distance shooting. You can hear them. But one of these days, there's going to be a big movement by hikers, mountain bikers, people who don't hunt but love being out here to try and shut us down shooting out here in the National Forest. Our right to do so. This is public land. But it's not going to stop them from trying. It's not going to stop them from putting that narrative out there in the news that hunters don't care about the environment, shooters don't care about the environment, gun owners don't care about the environment, 2A is bad for climate change. So if you're a shooter, please, if you pack it in, pack it out. So these are the targets I'll be shooting at amidst all this trash. I'm using the Caldwell stand. It's plastic with metal rods, and it's a fully contained unit. You fold it all up and just put it all back together, and it just comes as one piece. It's awesome. It comes with the white backing, and I'm using these Range Max shoot and see style turkey targets. I have the 301 targets I'll be setting on the left, and the Tristar targets I'll be setting on the right. And the first load we're going to use is the Federal TSS Heavyweight. Federal TSS Savage 301. Pack it out. Federal TSS out of the Tristar Raptor with the Primos tight wad turkey choke. Okay, we got some new targets up. We're gonna shoot the 301 on the left and the Tristar Raptor with the Primos tight wad on the right. Next up is Hevi-Shot out of the 301 first. My hand slipped off the forehand on that one. All right. Let's do the Tristar next. All right, Tristar Raptor up next with the Hevi-Shot Magnum blend. All right, and now we get to the one that at least I've been waiting for, the Kent Bismuth Turkey out of the 301. Now last up, the Kent Bismuth Turkey out of the Tristar Raptor with the Primos tight wad turkey choke. Pack it in, pack it out.
All right, so here's all the patterns side by side. All the shots fired out of the Savage 301 are on top. All the shots fired out of the Tristar Raptor are on bottom, and our loads from left to right, the 2 Federal TSS loads, the 2 Hevi-Shot loads in the middle, and then the 2 Kent Bismuth Turkey loads on the right. So just looking at these patterns on the screen, not knowing anything else, if I had to pick which combination I was going to take with me out in the field tomorrow, I'm going with the Hevi-Shot Magnum blend out of the Savage 301. Yes, it's not as tight of a pattern as the Federal TSS out of the Savage 301, but I like that pattern. It's just a little bit more spread apart because you never know what's going to happen. You could just suddenly pull that shotgun one direction just ever so slightly right before pulling that trigger, and it affects your shot. And so it kind of allows that margin of error and give you a chance at still being successful at 25 yards. Now, if I was anticipating not being able to call in a turkey within 40 yards, then I would probably go with the Federal TSS load out of the Savage 301 or the Federal TSS load out of the Tristar Raptor. Now, taking into consideration the price point of all these loads, with Federal TSS being $59.99 on the reg, and Hevi-Shot Magnum I've seen as high as $54.99. The Kent Bismuth Turkey comes in at $15.99. That's an outstanding price. You can't beat that. Seeing that $15.99 pattern compared to the $54 or $59 pattern, I'm going with the Kent Bismuth Turkey this spring season out of the Savage 301. The pattern of the Kent Bismuth out of the Tristar Raptor, that's still a good pattern. I just happened to pull that to the left. That pattern would look a whole lot better if I hadn't pulled that shot. With the 2 shots coming out of 2 different shotguns, you can see it shoots low. So I just have to aim 5-6 inches higher, and I'm golden. This spring season, I'm taking the Kent Bismuth Turkey out with me in the field, and the true test will be whether or not I can hit a turkey with it and whether or not it takes a turkey down when it hits one. I'll be sure to capture my hunts on footage this spring season and compile those into videos for y'all so we can see what actually happens with the Kent Bismuth Turkey. And if that's worth it, when I come across that again and it's in stock, I'm definitely stocking up on some of those.
So I'm going to end this video with a question. What combination of turkey load, shotgun, and turkey choke do you all use? Let me know in the comment section. I love talking turkeys. I love turkey hunting. It's a passion of mine. I love the bird. I love the way it's tasted ever since I was a kid. Thanksgiving was always my favorite holiday because I got to eat a whole lot of turkey. And being able to hunt them and to contribute to their conservation, it's a passion of mine. Some fellas and myself even started a Sacramento chapter of the National Wild Turkey Federation. And our first event is coming up this May 2024. So if you live in the Sacramento area and you're a member, or if you're in the Sacramento area and you're not a member, but you want to come to a cool event and win some cool prizes, let me know. I'll send you a flyer and we can have the more people coming out and becoming NWTF members, the better it is for the turkey species and for all wildlife habitat actually, because turkey habitat contributes to all other species as well. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much for getting this channel up to 300 subscribers, and we'll see you next time.